Now, what are the types of the skeleton? We also have the types of the skeleton that is present in the body. There are two types of the skeleton. What are the types of the skeleton? Types of the skeleton are exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Okay, exoskeleton and endoskeleton. What is mean by exoskeleton? Exoskeleton means name itself we will know that exoskeleton means it is outside. It will be there on the outside. We have actually three layers like this on in our body. We have three layers. Outside layer, that is ectoderm, inside layer ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. These are the layers we have that will protect the bone. So exoskeleton will be their outside layer, that is ectoderm. In endoskeleton means inside, that is inside the layer. Skeleton means it is there outside of the body. I told you, like outer covering, that is ectoderm, outer layer, that is ectoderm. Exoskeleton means you all understand that is outside of the body. So exoskeleton protects and preserves the inner organs. It actually what it does, I told you already, it protects the inner organs, that is heart, lungs, kidneys, and all these all are protected by the exoskeleton. So the outside covering layer means here ectoderm, outside covering layer is the exoskeleton that will protect our internal organs, that is heart, lungs, kidneys, all the internal organs it protects, that is exoskeleton. Now next move on to the endoskeleton. Endoskeleton means what? Name itself what? It present inside the body. Inside the body means the bones itself will make endoskeleton. Like we have vertebra, that is vertebra, example, that is backbone. We have vertebra, and also we have, it is composed of the main body structure, and also it is composed of so many cartilage, notochord, all these body structure like bone structure all present inside, like pelvic, our backbone, all these are present inside the body, that is endoskeleton. Exoskeleton means it covers outside, it will be outside of the body. The bone, that layer will be outside of the body, which will protect our heart, lung, kidney, everything. Endoskeleton means inside itself the bone structure, that is the endoskeleton, which are like vertebrae, backbone, so many like scapular bones, all these bones are called endoskeleton.